Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the add photo to comment option not showing on TikTok. With TikTok's latest update, you can now add photos directly in the comments. Just tap the little gallery icon right next to the emoji icon and boom, you can attach an image with your comment. But if you're not seeing that option or it's not working for you, don't worry, I've got a few quick fixes you can try. Fix number 1, check for updates. Head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and see if there's a new update available for TikTok. If there is, update the app and then check if the feature shows up. Fix number 2, reinstall TikTok iPhone. If you're on iPhone and the feature still isn't there, go to Settings, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, scroll down and select TikTok. Tap Offload App, then reinstall it. This resets the app without deleting your data and can help refresh the feature. Fix number 3, reinstall TikTok for users. For Android users, just uninstall TikTok completely and then reinstall it from the Play Store. This can also solve hidden update issues. Still not showing? If none of these steps work, it might not be your fault. TikTok rolls out new features gradually. Not everyone gets them at the same time. So even if your app is updated, the feature might just not be available on your account yet. Just keep checking for updates and be patient. It should show up soon. If this video helped you, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy TikTok fixes and updates. See you in the next one.